thought every time I make a video. So guys, we are at RIU, and as the title or the thumbnail says, this is going to be the room tour for, this is the room tour for at RIU. It's the family room, and pretty much it's nice. And we got like is this like a garden view room? So yes, I'm gonna show you the garden right now, and then we're gonna go from the door and to the garden and to the room, and then I'm gonna give it a tour of the room. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, don't forget to subscribe, and let's get into the video.
Resort in Ocho Rios offers services such as free Wi-Fi throughout the entire hotel, and I must add, guys, that this was pretty good. This was like the first hotel I've ever been at that had Wi-Fi that I can use. I used this Wi-Fi to upload one of my videos, so no joke, this Wi-Fi was 10 out of 10. So it has fun entertainment programs for all ages. I remember they said something one day about the kids entertainment, and they were gonna make some pencil holder thing. So they had daytime activities for them, and I think that was pretty cool. They have like water parks. They have one for the kids and they have one for adults. They have a wide range of cuisines. So they have plenty of restaurants. I think they have Italian, Russian, and American and Jamaican themed stuff. So pretty much it is an amazing place. You have access to 5 pools. These places have loungers and umbrellas. The water parks are not included in the 5 pools, so you have 5 pools plus the 2 water parks. So 2 of those pools are adult only pools, which have like swim up bars, and I think these are pretty cool, and they're nice. They have tables in the middle in the pool, so if you want to like chat and sit with persons, you can do that, and I think this was pretty cool. And you also have a spa and a gym, amongst other stuff. So the room we stayed at is called the Superior Family Room. It comes with 3 beds. They look like king size beds, but I'm not even sure. One of the beds are in like a separate room by itself, and then the other 2 are like, you know, in another part. It comes with a huge, when I mean huge, I mean huge rain shower, double sinks, and a toilet that is separate from the bath and the sink, which is pretty cool. It comes with a fridge which has like drinks in it. I think we had soft drink, it had beer, it had water, so it was stocked. It comes with a liquor dispenser, but the liquor dispenser has no liquor in it at the moment because of COVID, so yeah. It had like coffee stuff, so the coffee mug, coffee maker, coffee, sugar, creamer, and all of those, that was there, so it was pretty good. The room also comes with the closet, you know, the usual hangers, iron board. One of the rooms actually came with a blanket, but if you want extra blankets, you can ask at the front desk for blankets. So yeah, that's the room that we stayed in. So this is what the balcony looks like in the morning. We got a lovely pool right there, and we got the other one right there. These are the, what do we call these? The parks or the slides pool. Yeah, so we have this one, got the other one. I'm hoping it will be open today so we can actually have some fun today. So yeah. Alright guys, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys enjoyed how I did it. I was trying to actually like get the information that you guys would probably ask in the video for you guys. So if you guys have any more comments or questions, you can go ahead and comment it down below. I'll try my best to answer. I don't know that much about the place, being there for pretty much one whole day did not give me enough time to like go everywhere. So I want to go back. I'm hoping I can go back because my sister has never been, so I'd like to go back with her and let her experience it. So I'm hoping that would happen one day. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you like, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up, comment something down below, share this video with your friends. I think they're having some deals now for Rio, so you guys can go ahead and share, and you guys can look up some deals. I think I have some, I've seen some on Instagram and such like that. So if you want to go to Rio, you can actually watch this video and, you know, decide if you want to go. Look up the deals that they have right now and you can go vacation, guys. So thank me later. So yes, guys, again, thanks again for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.